In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for photo descriptions. This is a simple way to generate descriptions of images or photos using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll choose the option to upload a file or image. Now I'll select the photo from my computer that I want Claude to describe. Once the image uploads, it will appear in the chat message area. Next, I'll click inside the message box and type a prompt such as, "Describe this photo in detail." Then I'll click the send button. Claude will analyze the image and generate a description of what is shown in the photo. If I want a specific type of description, I can include that in my prompt. For example, I might ask Claude to write an image caption, create alt text, or generate a detailed scene description. Once the description is generated, I can copy the text and use it wherever I need it, such as in a website, article, or social media post. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to create a photo description. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.